Welcome back, everybody. On today's episode, we'll be making breakfast fried rice. This is one of my favorite things to eat when I'm hungover down in New Orleans. If my friend Leanne, aka the Meat Mama, wakes me up in time, we head on down to the Buttermilk Drop in the 7th Ward. It's kind of a shady neighborhood, but not the worst in the city. I've boogied in second lines and parades throughout the neighborhood plenty of times, so don't be afraid to visit if you're down in the neighborhood. Okay, and for today's dish, you will need 1 egg, 3 scallions chopped, 1 diced red bell pepper, 2 cups of pre-cooked rice, 1 andouille sausage chopped, 3 slabs of bacon chopped, and 4 maple breakfast patties sausages. Now we're gonna get this sausage cooked in a hot cast iron skillet. We're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Smell that maple syrup. Okay, these look pretty good. Now let's give them a flip. So these guys look good. We're going to remove these, chop them up, and add them to our breakfast fried rice. For our next step, we're going to get our bacon cooked. We're going to cook it in a wok. If you do not have a wok, it's okay to cook it in a cast iron skillet or any other pan that you have in the kitchen. This shouldn't take that long, probably only about 3-4 minutes. Okay, now that our bacon is almost cooked, we're going to turn down the heat a little and remove our bacon, but keep our bacon fat in the wok. I've added my andouille sausage to my bacon fat, and we're gonna cook that for about 2 minutes until golden brown. Okay, next we're going to add our breakfast sausage that I cut up. Get that heated. Stir that around. Get that all cooked up in the nice bacon fat. And now we're going to add our red bell peppers. Next, our scallion. So because this is a lot of bacon fat, I'm going to strain some of it off. Next, we're going to add our rice. and our bacon. You can add salt and pepper to this, but I don't think you need any. It is perfectly fine the way it is. After we clean out our wok, we're gonna add some oil to it so we can fry up an egg. At the buttermilk drop, they usually serve scrambled eggs in their rice, but I like a good runny yolk when I'm hungover, so we're gonna fry this bad boy up. And we're gonna top this beautiful fried rice with this fried egg. A little bit of salt and pepper for the egg. And scallions to finish it off. And that's it for today's breakfast fried rice episode. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Until next week, peace out.